Hi, if you wonder if Redmi A5 have calls recorder, go to your phone. Now click on three dots in the top right corner and go to the settings. As you can see, call recording is here. To enable it, turn it on by clicking the switcher and click start. But you can have no this option on your phone. To enable it, go to the settings and find region and change your region. Like for United States, it's guaranteed that option will be on your phone. But if you have different region like Poland, for example, this function doesn't exist in this region. As you can see, we have no calls recorder option. So if you want to enable it, take United States as your region in the phone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye.